Hey, this is Katie with Nature's Mosaic. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to make a heart rock, and these are for sale on my Etsy account and also on my website. So in this kit what you'll receive is a rock, and I do acknowledge it is kind of odd to be sending rocks in the mail. I do, however, and I do offer free shipping. So I try and find rocks that have the most surface area and that are the lightest, which is why my rocks look like that. They're very thin, they have a lot of surface area in which to do our artwork. So that's the type of rock that you're gonna get. They vary in size, they'll all be about the size of my palm. All right, so you'll get a rock, you'll get your grout, and that looks like this. You'll also receive a paintbrush for doing your design with your glue. So your mosaic glue, your grout sealer, which goes on towards the end. And then also you will receive two different colors. One is going to be for the outside border, and one is going to be for the inside piece. So you can kind of see that in this picture here, how I've got this white border, and then I've got a different color inside, which are more triangular and rectangles, all different shapes and sizes. All right, so you'll get these things, something that I did not put in my little make-believe kit here, which I will show you now. You will also receive some of this material, and this is just like a chain, a bead chain in a beautiful silver color, and so that's going to be your border of your mosaic heart rock, and I will show you what that's going to look like when it is all finished. So this is something that I have made with those exact colors that I showed you, and this is before grout, pre-grout. So you see how I did the square and rectangular inner border here of one color, and then I've got my larger pieces the inside of it, and then I've also used that silver beading here. So this kit provides you with everything that you need to make a little heart rock, and these are really nice. You can put them out in the garden because we're going to use the grout sealer that I talked about. It will do just fine out in the garden. It can get rained on, the sun can shine on it, the snow can even fall on it, and it is fine. I've had ones in the garden for years and they've held up beautifully. So it can go outside, and it also looks really nice inside on the mantelpiece, you know, maybe in the covered patio, things like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started.